The P0028 code indicates a problem with the intake valve control solenoid circuit on bank 2 of your engine. This OBD2 code signals that the solenoid isn't performing within expected range, affecting engine performance and efficiency. The intake valve control solenoid controls oil flow to adjust camshaft timing in variable valve timing systems. This diagram shows how variable valve timing works with cam lobes and oil pressure. Bank 2 refers to the engine side with cylinder 2, typically the driver's side in V6, V8 engines. This diagram illustrates the cylinder banks in an 8-cylinder engine. The P0028 code appears in fault code lists, indicating this specific solenoid issue. Variable valve timing systems optimize valve timing for efficiency, but solenoid issues disrupt this balance. This exploded view shows engine components, including where VVT solenoids are located. The shift to hybrids and electric vehicles reduces ICE issues like P0028, but it remains common in gasoline engines. Recent advancements include enhanced onboard diagnostic systems that provide more precise error logging and live data. Software updates from manufacturers have addressed some issues causing false P0028 readings. The rise of hybrid and electric vehicles is reducing the prevalence of this code, but it remains common in internal combustion engine vehicles. Keep in mind that counterfeit parts can lead to increased solenoid failures. Start by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0028 code. Connect the scanner to the vehicle's OBD2 port and read the diagnostic trouble codes. Inspect the solenoid and wiring for visible damage, such as corrosion, fraying, or loose connections. Check the engine oil level and condition. Low or dirty oil can affect VVT system performance and cause solenoid issues. Use a multimeter to verify solenoid resistance, which should typically be 6 to 10 ohms. This checks if the solenoid is functioning correctly. Perform a wiggle test on the wiring harness to identify intermittent connection problems by gently moving the wires while monitoring for signal drops. When basic diagnostics don't reveal the cause of the P0028 code, advanced techniques become essential. These methods provide deeper insights into the solenoid's operation and related systems. An oscilloscope is a powerful tool for analyzing the solenoid's electrical waveform. Connect the oscilloscope probes to the solenoid circuit and observe the signal pattern. Look for irregularities such as distorted waves, incorrect amplitude, or timing issues that indicate solenoid malfunction. This real-time analysis can pinpoint circuit problems that multimeter checks might miss. Access live data streams from the engine control module using an OBD2 scanner or diagnostic software. Monitor solenoid parameters in real time, including voltage, current, and timing signals. Watch for abnormal readings such as fluctuating voltages or delayed responses that could indicate wiring issues or ECM problems affecting the P0028 code. Perform a smoke test to detect vacuum leaks that could indirectly cause the P0028 code. Introduce smoke into the intake system and observe for leaks. Vacuum leaks can disrupt engine timing and pressure, leading to solenoid performance issues. Identifying and sealing leaks often resolves the code without replacing parts. Consult vehicle-specific repair manuals for detailed diagnostic procedures and wiring diagrams. These resources provide manufacturer-approved steps for testing circuits and components. Use the diagrams to trace wiring paths and identify potential failure points that could cause the P0028 code. For DIY fixes of the P0028 code, start by locating the intake valve control solenoid on bank 2. Consult your vehicle's service manual to find it on the cylinder head or valve cover. Always ensure the engine is off and cool to prevent injury. If replacement is necessary, first disconnect the electrical connector from the solenoid. Then remove any mounting bolts or fasteners. Install the new solenoid carefully, ensuring proper alignment and following the manufacturer's torque specifications to avoid damage. If the solenoid is clogged with sludge, it may be cleaned instead of replaced. Use an appropriate solvent and a soft brush or compressed air to carefully remove the debris. However, cleaning may not always restore full function, so if you're unsure, it's better to replace the solenoid. Remember, if you are not comfortable performing these maintenance steps, please consult a professional mechanic. DIY repairs can be effective but require care to avoid complications. Other potential solutions for P0028 include addressing underlying issues like low oil pressure or clogged oil passages. Consider an ECM software update, as manufacturers often release updates to address known issues. After any repair, clear the P028 code using an OBD2 scanner and perform a test drive to confirm the fix. Closely monitor the vehicle for any recurring symptoms. Experts emphasize that the P0028 code is often a sign of neglected maintenance. Shorten oil change intervals to 5,000 miles for VVT-equipped vehicles to prevent sludge buildup that can damage solenoids and cause this code. Use OEM-approved parts when replacing solenoids to avoid compatibility issues and ensure proper function. Wiring issues are common causes of P0028, so thoroughly inspect and repair any damaged or corroded wiring harnesses. By 2030, AI-powered diagnostics are expected to reduce misdiagnoses of codes like P028, but proactive maintenance remains crucial to prevent issues. If you're still having issues after these steps, consult a local professional mechanic for additional assistance to ensure safe and effective repairs.